Do you ever feel like you're stuck on a never-ending work treadmill, trading your time for money without getting ahead? What if there was a way to effortlessly earn income around the clock, even while you sleep? In this video, I'll be unveiling my top strategies for setting up passive revenue streams that keep your cash flow pumping 24/7 with little maintenance. This is the ultimate guide to putting your income on autopilot so you can finally achieve financial freedom and better enjoy your life. We'll start off exploring the basics of building passive income with frequently asked questions like, what exactly is passive income and what makes it different from active income? Why bother pursuing passive income? What are the most viable options in 2023? How do you get started? From there, we'll go step by step to uncover 7 powerful yet easy to implement passive money ideas, perfect for beginners to automate consistent cash flow. I'll detail my personal experience with each and provide actionable tips so you can have these strategies making money automatically as soon as possible. So if you're ready to take back control of your time and money, grab a pen and paper and get ready to take notes. This will be your definitive blueprint for kicking off true financial independence by putting your earnings on autopilot. Introduction to passive income. Passive income is earnings generated with little to no ongoing maintenance or active effort from you. Unlike active income from wages, salaried work, freelancing services, or running most traditional businesses that involve constant time and labor trading money for hours, passive income is cash flow on autopilot, allowing your assets to work for you instead of you having to continually work for money. Some key defining qualities of genuine passive income include automatic. It flows in consistently without requiring you to clock in hours actively working for it once it is initially set up. This frees up your time. Regular. Comes in reliably at routine intervals, not sporadically or unpredictably. This enables stability. Hands-off. Income produced with minimal required effort or interventions after launching. This grants increased independence. Additional. Supplements active earning streams that demand time effort. This provides financial cushioning. Scalable. Has the potential to expand without a proportional boost in time commitment. This unlocks earning capabilities. The concept is simple yet powerful. Passive income grants the ultimate combination of financial upside with personal freedom. Some examples include collecting rental income, earning royalties off intellectual property, building affiliate sites that advertise products for commission, or owning dividend stocks and bonds that pay shareholders routine yields. With the right foundations, you can feasibly replace a full-time income or comfortably supplement side earnings with various automated cash flow assets operating self-sufficiently. This guide will provide actionable ideas and advice to make it happen. Why pursue passive income? More money, freedom, and fulfillment. There's nothing wrong with, and everything right about, exchanging effort for income by working a job, operating a small business hands-on, freelancing services, or any active money pursuit. But passive revenue opens up game-changing lifestyle possibilities. More money. Add perpetual income streams to stack earnings. This turbocharges total cash accruals to new heights. Financial freedom. Severe dependence on active work hours for income. This flexibility is priceless. Early retirement. Potentially stop working full-time much sooner by covering living costs with automated asset income. Time freedom. Free up large chunks of your schedule from duties, now available for family, hobbies, and travel. Financial security. Reliable cash cushion protects against life's risks like job loss, disability, downturns in economies, etc. Choices. Self-determined, personalized career lifestyle that is unconstrained by financial pressure to stick to an unsatisfying job. Who doesn't want less stress and more security, freedom, and flexibility to pursue deeper fulfillment, earning abundantly along the way? Passive income is about shifting finances to work for you instead of the other way around. This enables you to focus pure effort toward your human spirit's highest calling, not conforming it to a workplace's prescribed mold. The why behind pursuing passive income boils down to reclaiming control and self-direction over your precious, finite lifetime. Passive income in 2023. Trends and reality check. Promising prospects. Require effort, patience, and perspective. Promising possibilities abound in 2023 to put your income on autopilot if you implement the right ideas. However, healthy expectations are crucial. Like any skill, passive income fluency demands a learning curve. Pitfalls trip those presuming automation means no work whatsoever. Rapidly chasing overnight millions causes burnout. Savvy builders instead play long games. Reasonable timelines see revenue streams generating spare hundreds initially, scaling gradually over months or years toward replacing active earnings entirely. Respect the process. Plant seeds now for sustainable harvests later, as assets mature. Absorb hard truths too. Truly hands-off income is extraordinarily rare. Tales of holy grail levels reaching perpetually unfettered fortunes on full autopilot with no effort are largely inflated illusions. No serious passive earner would recommend diving in with this fantasy mindset. Ignore too good to be true gurus. Stories of packed mornings sipping drinks on sunny beaches while income pours in misleadingly glamorize the gritty reality. All income producers, including passive channels, demand some mixture of upfront creation effort plus ongoing attention, adjusting, problem-solving, and reinvestment of time and money to keep producing. Thankfully, with the right systems, structures, and support in place, the required efforts become relatively minimal compared to active work. This frees up bandwidth, allowing you to enjoy life more while keeping some skin in the game. How to start building passive income. With reasonable expectations now set, let's get tactical. Follow these steps to put your income on autopilot. 1. Calculate expenses. What's your monthly income? Detail the exact costs of living now and your desired future lifestyle. This determines how much monthly passive income is needed to replace or supplement active earnings. 2. Raise capital. Passive income assets require upfront funding. Estimate the minimum viable startup investment amount based on the chosen model. Begin accumulating capital from savings or active income streams. 3. Pick a strategy. Every model has pros and cons. Align your selections with your assets, skills, interests, risk appetite, and startup runway. Building multiple streams over time limits dependence on any single channel. 4. Study and plan. Become a mini expert in chosen tactics before jumping in. Set SMART goals with action plans, budgets, timelines, and milestones marking progress. Dissect how leaders in space operate. 5. Launch. Start small and focus on foundations. Don't get distracted by perfecting or overwhelmed by trying to scale too quickly. Stick MVP to validate proof of concept. With working foundations and flowing income, now optimize. 6. Systematize. Structure operations for self-sufficiency. The end goal is running itself without you. Build checklists, processes, and contingencies. Outsource what you can't or don't want to handle. 7. Reinvest. Cascade cash flows back into assets to compound gains. Milk successes to fund expansion efforts. Bring on hiring help. Foibles demand excessive personal bandwidth, hampering growth. Now let's uncover 7 turnkey tactics almost anyone can activate to effortlessly earn passive income streams. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Public companies reward shareholders by distributing a portion of profits as cash payments called dividends. Investors essentially get paid to own stocks meeting smart selection criteria. How it works. You buy shares of dividend-paying stocks that meet rigorous metrics like consistent payment history, reasonable payout ratio, stable revenue earnings, manageable debt, etc. Dividends are usually paid quarterly. The aggregated payments form a perpetual cash flow stream that supplements any stock price appreciation. Income automation level. With stocks purchased, cash dividends deposit into your brokerage account quarterly, automatically once declared. However, staying on top of news financials, adjusting your portfolio occasionally, And reinvesting dividends, while not overwhelmingly demanding, does require some active effort to keep income flowing. Key tips: don't chase high yields alone. Prioritize healthy payers likely to sustain payments. DRIPs, dividend reinvestment plans, compound returns. Mix high yield and dividend growth stocks. Consider ETFs for diversification. Patience pays. Give compounding time before tapping income. Number 2. Rental income. You likely understand real estate rental conceptually. Buying property, furnishing it appropriately, securing tenants, and collecting monthly rents. Rinse, repeat. How it works. After covering mortgage, insurance, taxes, and maintenance costs, remaining rental income profits passively pay you as the property owner residual income each month simply for owning the asset. Capital appreciation of the underlying property also builds equity over time. Income automation level. Once operational, rental income runs predominantly on autopilot, especially if you hire a property manager. But intermittent involvement in addressing tenant property and local market issues is required. Especially at higher volumes, enough rental properties can become a self-sufficient standalone business. Key tips: ensure positive cash flow. Don't over-leverage with debt. Tenant vetting is critical. Standardize operations for efficiency. Property managers worth their fee offer key value. Local markets determine returns. Research thoroughly. Number 3. Ebooks and information products. Creating a digital educational product like an ebook, online course, video series, newsletter, podcast, etc. Once created, multiply your effort through almost unlimited scaling, automated selling, and delivery fueled by the internet. How it works. You create a valuable digital product once. Host it on a platform handling automated selling, distribution, and delivery behind the scenes. Customers pay you to instantly download your product without any further effort from you. Residual back-end income flows as a new audience continues to discover and buy your perpetually available offering. Income automation level. After the heavy lifting of crafting a compelling digital product up front, this remains one of the most truly automated income streams out there, especially after establishing a funnel framework. But keyword research, content upgrades, and traffic generation do require some maintenance for discoverability. Key tips: solve readers' pains and frustrations. Outline the details before creating. Promote launches heavily. Refresh content annually. Upsell and cross-sell buyers. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by recommending other companies' products you're passionate about. Build an audience around your niche and endorse relevant affiliate offers through your website, email, and social media. How it works. Sign up as an affiliate partner through related company programs you believe in. Share special trackable links you receive as an affiliate for products, services on your own platforms. If prospects click your links, get directed to that company's sales pages, and complete qualifying actions like purchases, you earn pre-negotiated commissions. Income automation level. After initial effort in creating assets and driving traffic, affiliate promotions can run fairly passively. However, continually creating new content, expanding reach, and maintaining partnerships does require consistent, albeit relatively minimal, commitment to keep income flowing. Key tips. Choose niche, then find affiliate programs that suit the audience's interests. Ensure transparency around potential biases. Mix affiliate links into existing content seamlessly. Quality over quantity. Protect reputation. Monitor stats weekly. Double down on what converts. Number 5. Lead generation. By creating assets that drive targeted, high-intent website traffic and sales leads for hungry businesses, you get paid for matching buyers with sellers. No formal products, services of your own are required. How it works. Research niche demand dynamics around service-based businesses like financial advisors, real estate agents, home contractors, insurance brokers, etc. Build lead generation assets like websites, blogs, and YouTube channels highlighting the solutions these businesses offer. Monetize audience engagement through capturing and selling leads. Income automation level. This does demand the ongoing nurturing of assets that consistently attract engaged visitors in target niches. But the incoming buyer traffic self-perpetuates more visibility. As assets' audiences mature, income compounds with less heavy lifting. Key tips. Find target keyword gaps with buyer intent. Create and curate niche content systematically. Monetize through selling viable leads. Quality website visitor targeting is critical. Automate lead capture delivery logistics. Number 7. Selling stock photography. Marketplaces like Shutterstock let you earn passive royalty income from work created once yet licensed out perpetually. Photographers upload images to the platform royalty-free to earn fees each time media gets licensed. Quality niche images showcasing elements like nature, cityscapes, technology, concepts, people, textures, patterns, etc. that commercial clients may want for marketing materials without complex legal licensing headaches. Then upload to stock photo marketplace platforms that are searchable by clients. Income automation level. Once your portfolio gets accepted by a stock agency, upload your body of work. Then earn royalties automatically each time a buyer licenses your media for use, with little ongoing effort from you. However, creating compelling new content is routinely important for fresh visibility. Key tips. Style and niche focus are important. Keyword: optimize uploads. Upload routinely for visibility. Check statement for insights into what sells. Negotiate higher split as portfolio grows. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Facilitate loans being funded directly between individual investors and vetted consumers, businesses. Platforms like Lending Club let you earn interest by acting as a private lender at attractive rates. How it works. You select loan requests that meet your preferred investment criteria like amount, borrower details, purpose, rates, maturity term, etc. Invest the available principal across multiple loans for diversification. As borrowers repay, you earn interest automatically over the loan duration. Principal and interest pay out upon maturity. Income automation. Once initial investment capital gets distributed across the loan portfolio, interest income streams in automatically as borrowers make payments until the loans mature. However, managing investments across loans does require occasional login oversight and management. A new investment is also needed once the principal is returned. Key tips. Defaults happen. Diversify investments. Filter for quality borrower loans. Optimize across risk grades. Reinvest returned principal. Monitor late payments. Putting it all together. As covered, various passive income path possibilities exist today. Each model has nuances to weigh, given your personal situation. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Blending multiple streams over time limits risk exposure and caps dependence on any single channel. Passive income fluency is a journey demanding patience as assets mature toward true automation. But small steps today steer the flywheel, igniting successively bigger leaps over time through the snowball effects of compounding and leveraged work. Stay consistent, stringing together monthly milestones of progress. Maintain reasonable expectations around required effort levels and release attachment to quick roadmaps or perfect solutions. As inspiration, remember the lifestyle design empowerment waiting as perpetual income slowly yet surely comes online building beneath you. The time is now to lay your first brick of financial freedom and take control by putting your income on autopilot. I hope this video provided a solid framework and kickstart ideas to get moving decisively toward cutting the leash between your time and money forever.